this episode, I bent metal with a press. I bent metal with a hammer. And my rod got stuck. Welcome back to A Welder's Journey. I'm Jesse, and on this episode, somebody had a little too much fun with this hitch. They kept on pulling even though the bolts broke. Let's jump right into it. That's Bino. He's my apprentice. We are gonna cut off the side plate and try and bend it back in place. Making a new one is out of the question. Metal is too damn expensive nowadays. Nice job. This 50-ton hydraulic press should do it. That should do it for now. Before we start welding, I'm gonna get this thing in place to see if it even fits. My plan is to bolt it up, tack it in place, remove it, then weld it. We don't need no more surprises. Now that it fits, I'm gonna lay a bead.
Bem grandes aqui direto.
It fits a little too good in my book. If you're liking this video, hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's weld this puppy in place. Again, I'm using my favorite rod, the 70-18 rod, 1/8 thickness, 100 to 110 amps. My favorite seat in the house is a bucket. Pass me a bucket and I'll weld all day long. Uh-oh, don't get stuck now. It's great when you have a helper. He can hammer the slag out and you just weld.
Hey, look at that, the shop.
That will hold. Little undercut over there, but anyway.
What up? Oh, Mino, sa ginawa. Mino, sa ginawa. Tres ang daw. Ito toolbox sa charge.
Here she is, ready to go back on. Hey, Bino.
Pinag-sabi ito.
Extra ha, wag mong iwan ng device.